Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create an Expo app. So we can create a first Expo app and then how to run this app on your mobile device using Expo app. Okay, so there is an Expo app on the Android and on the iOS system as well. So you can download this Expo app and then we can run this app on the Expo. So I'll be also showing you how to resolve the issue something went wrong when you run this Expo app on the mobile devices. So without wasting time, let's get started and let's create a new Expo app. So let us create. Okay, so I'm going to create a new Expo app, that is npx create Expo app latest. So if I click on enter, then you can see that it will ask me to put my app name. So let me type the app name as my app, my Expo app. Okay, let's keep this name. So it will create a folder using this name. Also, I'm not an expert in this topic, but I'm learning how to do mobile app development. So I'm researching and doing this. So hope you like this tutorial. And I'm also going to resolve the Expo app issue that occurs when it runs on the mobile devices. So, let's go ahead and develop this. So you can see that my Expo app is installed. Okay, for this you also need Node. Okay, like you need to download Node if you do not have. If you a complete beginner, you need to download Node, install it, and then my Node version, and you can check your Node version here, Node-V, so it will give you the current version. So my version is little older. I will upgrade it later, but you can use the Node version, install the Node, and then run this command. So now I'm going to cd my Expo app. Okay, we can see that it already has a master, so meaning Git is already initialized when we create this Expo app. That is very good. So next what we are going to do is, see, we can run these commands here. So on the npm run web, npm run iOS, npm run Android, but we are not going to do that. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are just going to run Expo npx expo start. Okay, I'm going to explain you why I had used terminal in my previous command. So first let's run this. So now it will build the files. We'll also open the code. I'm using Visual Studio Code Editor. So I'll open the folder, my folder into this. So my Expo app. So this is my app. So I'm going to select this folder here. And you can see that my app is loaded, and this is like the directory structure. Then if I go to the bundle, you can see that the Expo is already installed and it gave me this URL localhost 8081. So let's open this. So I'm going to say localhost 8081 and so it would take some time because you could see it will load the bundles. So see, it has loaded some bundles over here and it is building the web modules. Okay, so now if we open it, we can see that it is loaded, and I don't know if you can see at the bottom, I have two tabs here, home and explore. So it will go like this. So even if I use some route like this, and if it does not exist, it will give me not found. Okay, so go back to the. So these are the features that are provided by default in the Expo app. So now what we are going to do, we are just going to run this on the mobile devices. Okay, so let me open my mobile device. Uh, okay, so I'm opening my mobile device. So I will share this in your on the screen. So I'm okay. Now it is shared, and I'm going to type Expo. Okay, once I type Expo, now we can scan the QR code. So you can see the option scan the QR code. So if you are using your Android device or iOS device, you need to uh, install the Expo Go app. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan the QR code here. So this would also take some time. Okay, it is still loading. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's stop this. Okay, and let's close this again. Let's start the Expo server. So it will take some time to build. Okay, we can see the QR code. Now let's scan the QR code. So you can see that the something went wrong came here. So this is why it is happening is our firewall is blocking it, and we cannot access we cannot access this app on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do anything with the firewall permissions, but I'm just going to uh, close this. I'm going to stop the server. So I'm going to clear the screen here. Now if I'm going to run my Expo start terminal, okay, so I'm going to use Expo start dash dash terminal. So it will, and now we will use this command. So if you don't have this package installed, it will tell you to install this package. You can go ahead and install it, and then your app will start how it used to start. You will get a QR code, tunnel is connected, tunnel ready, and then you get this now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Expo, and I'm going to scan the QR code here, and you can see that now it is bundling the app. You can also see my computer screen, like this will Android, it is loading the node modules since I'm using an Android device. And now look at my Expo app. So it will load the same screen that we see on the web. Okay, and we have these two options now, home and explore. So this is how you create a new Expo app and resolve this issue as well. So if you like this video, like it and share it. So I'm going to show you, so I'm going to build, next we are going to see how to build different screens in the Expo app. So thank you for watching.